Hi everyone, welcome to a Smart Needle. Here we got a new project for all of you to enjoy. Welcome to our Clear Chic Curvy Pouch project. This font in the hoop design is big, spacious, and fully lined. You can make it with clear vinyl or a cute floral pattern vinyl. For the cute floral pattern vinyl, we got the link under the description. It's super stylish and perfect for gift, travel, or keeping your favorite things organized. Let's get started. We are gonna hoop 2 layers of tear away stabilizer, and then we're gonna run our first spool color over the stabilizer. Take a piece of cotton batting, then place a fabric you love right on top of it, making sure it covers the entire guideline. This will give you a nice quilted base for your pouch and help it look soft and steady. Keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down line to attach the batting fabric to the project. Now we are going to cut all around the tack down stitch. Make sure you get as close as possible to the stitch line. The next spool color will stitch the little hearts quilting pattern all over the fabric, adding that sweet touch to your pouch. Running your machine for the next applique guideline that will tell you where to put the vinyl. Before adding the vinyl, we're going to flip the hoop over and place a piece of fabric on the back, making sure it covers the entire rectangle shape. This will be the lining of your pouch. I like to use a little spray adhesive to hold it in place. Now keep running your machine to do the tack down stitch. This will attach the back hoop fabric to the project. Once it's done, go ahead and trim all around the tack down line to clean it up. Now we're going to lay down the 2 pieces of vinyl. Just like I'm showing in this video, you can use paper tape to hold them in place to keep everything nice and steady while stitching. Keep running your machine to the next spool color. It will do the zigzag stitch between the fabric and the vinyl, so it's holding those vinyls in place. And then it will do the satin stitch on top of that. Next spool color, it will do a single tack down line as the video show to hold those both pieces of vinyls on place. Now grab a plastic tooth zipper that's long enough to go around the entire curves. We are going to split it in half and remove the zipper puller, just like I show you in this video. Now we are going to cut the vinyl pieces all around the curved lines as the video shows. Now we're going to make a few small snips along the zipper tape. This helps it bend and follow the curve shape more easily. Just be careful not to cut too deep. Now we're going to place each side of the zipper along the curved edges. Just like I show you in this video, make sure the zipper teeth are facing outward, following the shape of the curve. Use paper tape to hold the zipper pieces in place so they won't shift while stitching. The next spool color will do the satin stitch between the zipper and the vinyl. Since the vinyl is clear and you will be able to see through it, I would recommend using the same color in the bobbin as your top thread. I will give the back a nice clean finish. As I said before, the next spool color will do the tack down stitch and the satin stitch between the vinyl and the zipper. The last spool color will stitch a guideline. to show you where to fold and cut the pieces. This will help you to close up the entire bag. Okay, your pouch is almost done. Now unhook all your project and we're gonna tear away all the stabilizer. Now we are going to cut along the small rectangles guidelines, just like I show you in the video. Take your time with this step so everything lines up nicely when we fold the pouch. Now we're going to fold the sides in, following the guidelines, just like I show you in the video. This step helps shape the pouch and get it ready for the final stitching. Now grab your zipper pull and slide it through both zipper sides, just like I show you in the video. Take your time. Once it's in, the pouch will start coming together. Now turn the pouch inside out. Then clip both sides as shown in the video. This will hold everything in place so we can stitch the straight lines and close up the pouch. You can stitch both straight lines either by hand or with your sewing machine. It's super simple. Just do whatever you feel comfortable with. Then turn your pouch right side out and zip it up. And just like that, your beautiful pouch is all done. What I really love about this pouch is how wide it opens when you unzip it. Everything is right there and easy to reach. It's perfect for tossing in all your little goodies, and honestly, it's just so handy and super cute too. I find myself using them all the time. Thank you so much for stitching along with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I can't wait to see what colors and fabrics you choose. Have fun and happy stitching. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your pouch. See you next time.